Hi, I'm Sunny J. Are you bored with your life? I hear that a lot of times from people that retired or have just too much time on their hands. Maybe their kids are now older and they're in school. So they have all this time in the day and don't know what to do with it. Well, there's lots of things you can do to get out of boredom. Read a book. I love to read because that's something you do by yourself, and there's so many books out there. Find the kind of book that you like to read. I read a lot of autobiographies because that inspires me, but find what you like to read. And then also maybe pick up a skill, a new skill or a craft. Crafting is great, maybe worry less, craft more. I craft quite a bit. So I'm a creative person. And so I have a 3D printer. And so I'm working on learning how to really use that and what I'm going to use it for. I have a sewing machine and I sew clothing and I do a little jewelry making and I do a lot of different things, right? The key piece is find what will keep you excited about your own life. This is your life. Find what will keep you excited about your own life. And guess what? You won't be bored anymore. This is Sunny J with a minute of motivation.